Application software, ICT for beginners. What is application software? Types, examples, and how we use it in daily life. Welcome back to our ICT Basics series. In the last video, we talked about system software, the behind-the-scenes software that runs your computer. Now, let's explore something more familiar. The programs you use every day, from typing a document to browsing the internet. It's all made possible by application software. Let's find out how it works. What is application software? Application software is a program designed to help you perform specific tasks. It doesn't run the system. It helps you get things done. If system software is the engine of a car, then application software is the GPS, radio, and air conditioner. Tools that make the ride useful and comfortable. Common uses of application software. We use application software for many everyday tasks, like writing reports or essays, editing photos and videos, browsing websites and social media, playing games or watching movies, making presentations, sending emails and chatting. No matter what task you're doing, there's likely an app designed just for it. Types of application software. Let's look at the main categories of application software. 1. Productivity software. These are tools used for creating and editing content. Examples include word processors, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Spreadsheets, like Excel or Google Sheets. Presentation tools, like PowerPoint or Canva. Note-taking apps, like Notion or OneNote. These help you work smarter in school, the office, or at home. 2. Web browsers. Web browsers help you access the internet. Popular browsers include Google, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari. They let you search, stream, learn, and connect with others online. 3. Multimedia software. These apps help you create or enjoy audio, video, and images. Video players, VLC, Windows Media Player, Photoshop, Pixlr, Canva music apps, Spotify, iTunes, Audacity. Whether you're watching or creating, multimedia apps bring content to life. 4. Communication software used for messaging, calling, and video conferencing. Email apps, Outlook, Gmail chat apps, WhatsApp, Messenger, Discord video call apps, Zoom, Skype, Google Meets. Essential for remote learning, teamwork, and staying connected. 5. Educational and business software apps built for learning and managing business tasks. LMS platforms, Google Classroom, Moodle accounting software, QuickBooks, Xero database apps, Microsoft Access, Miscal typing tutors, quiz creators, and more. These tools are purpose-built for training, managing, and growing skills or businesses. 6. Games and entertainment. Let's not forget fun and relaxation. Games like Roblox, or mobile game streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, ebooks, Kindle, Audible. They help us unwind, learn, and enjoy digital media. Categories of application software. Application software is also classified based on how it's distributed. Freeware, free to use. Shareware, free, trial, then pay to keep. Open source, free and editable by anyone. Commercial software, paid apps with licenses. Some apps run online, while others are installed on your computer or phone. How we use application software in daily life. Students write essays, take notes, create presentations, attend online classes using Zoom or Google Meet. Use apps like Kahoot or Duolingo for fun learning. Offices create reports, manage data, and schedule meetings. Use accounting tools, email apps, and spreadsheets. Present ideas with slides or charts at home. Watch videos on YouTube, play mobile games, edit photos for social media, shop online, or pay bills with apps. Application software is a part of almost every moment we use technology. Quick recap, let's summarize what we've learned. Application software helps users perform specific tasks. Types include productivity tools, browsers, multimedia apps, communication apps, education and business tools. Games and entertainment. It can be freeware, shareware, open source, or commercial. Used in homes, schools, offices, everywhere. Without application software, our devices wouldn't be nearly as useful. Thanks for joining me in this beginner's guide to application software. Now you know the apps that help us write, create, connect, and play. In our next ICT video, we'll explore hardware versus software, what you can touch, and what runs invisibly in the background. Like this video, then hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an ICT lesson. This is your ICT teacher, helping you learn one click at a time.